Are you tired of manually managing emails and repetitive tasks across your apps? Stick with me because in just a few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to use Zapier Email in 2025 to automate your workflow and save serious time. First things first, open your browser and head to Zapier's website. In the top right corner, click Log In. If you've got a Google account, you can sign in instantly using your Google credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the command center for everything you're about to build. Now let's create your first automation, or Zap. Click on the Create button. From there, go to the Zap section to start building. Every Zap begins with a trigger, which is basically the event that kicks everything off. Click on Trigger, then choose Gmail as the app. Under Events, select New Email. What this means is, every time a new message arrives in your Gmail inbox, Zapier will take action. Before moving on, hit Test. This confirms that Zapier can pull in your email data and everything is connected correctly. With the trigger set, it's time to define the action, the task you want completed automatically. Click on Action, then choose Email as the app. When Zapier asks which event you want, select Send Outbound Email. This tells Zapier to automatically send an email whenever that new Gmail message arrives. Just like before, run a quick test to make sure the action is working smoothly from start to finish. Once both the trigger and action are tested and confirmed, you're ready to bring your automation to life. Click Publish. The moment you do, your Zap goes live and starts running in the background without any manual effort from you. That's it. You've just created a working automation with Zapier Email. Every time a new email comes into Gmail, Zapier will respond exactly how you configured it, saving you time and cutting out repetitive steps. And this is just one example. There are thousands of combinations you can create using the same process. If this helped you understand how Zapier Email works and got you thinking about new automations, keep exploring and testing different triggers and actions. There's a lot more you can unlock once you understand the basics. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to keep boosting your productivity with smarter tools, make sure you stick around for more tutorials like this.